everyone, so for this video I'll be showing you guys how to install OpenVINO. So we'll be running OpenVINO and then we will run a simple demo on object detections that OpenVINO have provided. So this object detection will be on exploration level, so if you wanted to do more you can simply explore by yourself and look further on the program. So if you wanted to install your own VMware workstation player to run Ubuntu OS, you can go to my first video where I show you guys how to install VMware workstation player, and the steps are quite easy, so I think you guys should check out on that. So first, here you need to go to OpenVINO toolkit website. So I will provide the link to this page on my descriptions, or you can simply Google by yourself. So what you need to do is you go to get started, and then under installation guides you can go choose your OS. So I'm choosing Linux. So here it is. So in the descriptions you can see system requirements right here, the hardware. You can check whether your hardware satisfies the requirements or not, and then if you're using Ubuntu like me, it's Ubuntu 18.04 or above. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to download OpenVINO toolkit. So here we go to this, install OpenVINO, and then choose and download. And then select your OS, for me Linux. Distribution, I'm for web and local. And then local. So in order for you to download, you need to register. So it is open source, so you don't need to worry about having to make it. So you need to download here the files. I choose full package and then save file. So go back to this page, and then so we will need to start from here, and then go to your terminal. Once you open your terminal, you can go to where you put your file. So as for mine, I downloaded, and then it is under download. So I'll go to take the parent folder, copy, and then CD, Control Shift V, and then I will copy this command right here and then put it there. Okay, so for me, mine is we see 2021.2.185. Copy. Sorry. Okay, and then you need to go to this directory. Copy the next command, put your password, and then let's open, accept, next, install. So we have done until here, then we continue, copy, So you can check like whether you put your directories is the same as the one provided in the page by going to your locations. So mine is here, so it's correct, so I'll just proceed and then copy the next command. Okay, done. So next we go to model optimizer. So model optimizer is basically for you to use when you wanted to convert a certain model that you downloaded that is not on in XML format. So you need to convert it. You can use model optimizer. But first I'll show you. So this is basically the command for you to start. Whenever you wanted to start to use OpenVINO, you need to run this command. So you can say this is you are sourcing it to OpenVINO. So it will give OpenVINO environment initialized. So it means that it's already initialized and you can run your OpenVINO inferencing. So for model optimizer, just the same, you can copy. So my directories is the same as this page, so I can just copy and paste. In case if your directory will be different, you can check again on your locations. So we are done. So just now I choose option 1 for model optimizer because it run the script to configure all these type of framework. So I didn't install one by one because in case I just need to use it in the future, so I'll just configure for all this framework. And then I will not do for GPU because I'm not running on GPU, and then you can check out if you wanted to run on GPU as well. So after we install everything, we wanted to check whether our program works or not, or whether we have installed it properly or not, and then we can check. So here is where I said just now that I'll show you how to run simple image detection or object detections are running on OpenVINO. So this is on exploration level. So if you wanted to do more, you wanted to develop your own model, maybe you can look more onto it. This is just on exploration level. If you are not familiar with it, maybe you can see how it works. So in this video, basically you learn the workflow for using OpenVINO. So in the future, you can also run other demo that OpenVINO provided. So I already done with in OpenVINO installations. We are done, and then we can run another demo right here. So you can check in your OpenVINO directory. You can go to deployment tools and then demo. This is the demo that we will run. So you can also look for other demo. There are a lot of demo. You can go to the OpenVINO webpage, or you can look inside your files right here. Maybe go to Open Model Zoo, demos. So you can see got classification demo, human pose estimation, interactive face detections, and so on. So you can check. So I will run the simple one, which is first we'll use this one, demo underscore squeeze.net. So I'll just copy the directory. Okay, so you need to source OpenVINO. So you run this command. So it already said OpenVINO environment initialized. So you can run your demo right here. So since the file we have is, the name is just the same as the one in the web page, so we can just use it. Okay, so we are done with OpenVINO installation. We will run a simple demonstrations that OpenVINO provided so that you can check or you can explore further. So this is on exploration level, so you can see how image or object detection is done in OpenVINO, and there are also other demo availables that you can try by yourself. And if you wanted to do more, like on advanced level, you wanted to retrain the model or you wanted to make your own model, you can explore more. So if you are just getting started with image or object detections, this demo will be very useful for you. So first you need to go to this directory. Okay, so mine is the same as the one in Pitch again, so I'll just copy and paste. If not, maybe you can check in your file, OpenVINO files. So make sure you source it to OpenVINO using this command right here, source and then set up vars.sh, and then run this quiznet. Okay, so the training takes some time, so I'll just keep and then show you how it is done. So this is the picture that they imputed inside the program. You can see under demo directory car.png. So after they have run the training and then they input this car.png image as the input to test the model that they have trained. So here you need to wait for a while until the results come out. Okay, so here it is. You can see the class ID, probability and level. So here the highest score, they predicted that this is a sport car, and then the lowest score, it says car wheel, and then convertible, beach wagon, station wagon, racing car. So it's not that correct, but they managed to identify the image as a car. So next we will run another demo, and then you see here we have a demo security barrier. So copy. So for demo security barrier, they input this image. So see how it works. So first back to your terminal / this, then run. And then you can see target precision is FP16. Just like the previous model, we need to wait for a while. So they have trained the data, the image, the model, they've trained the model, and then they are running the model. So it takes time because I'm just using a simple CPU. So if you wanted to improve the time, you need to use like a GPU or parallel computing. So here we see that it's predicted that this is a black car, and then the plate number, and then the type of the car. So this is just the one that in the demo, like we can only use the image inside here without changing anything. So if you are interested to learn more, you can explore inside the file, or you can go to find what is SqueezeNet. For example, the keyword right here, you can go to find what is SqueezeNet model. So this is it. So SqueezeNet is basically an image classification model, so you can look for more info if you wanted to build your own model from scratch. Okay, so in this video we already learned how to install OpenVINO, how to get started with OpenVINO, and also run a simple object detection demo. So I hope with this video you are able to get a view of how deep learning works and then how the training works. Not a full view, but it can help you to get started if you wanted to learn more on another advanced level. So I hope this video can help you to kickstart your deep learning exploratory journey. That's all from me. Thanks.